Okay, we have a CPKC 5606. Yes, CN unit 4848. Look at that, a CN unit on CPKC train. Look at that. Awesome. Before lunch, look at that. I almost missed it, but just in time to start the video. Right now. Alright. Wow, look at that. A CN on CPKC train. Look at that. That's amazing. Just about eating right now. Oh, excuse me. Look at that. Oh boy, it tastes good. Okay, so is this 135 now? I think so. I didn't know I had a CN unit. That's crazy. A CN unit. Look at that. That's amazing. If it is 135, just let me know. Because I'm still eating. Well, there's the end. Wow, pretty cool. A CN unit leader. Awesome. Can't wait till I send that picture. Well, I don't know what that train is. Had no containers, so and that might be 135. I couldn't tell what that train is. Pretty cool. A CN and a KCS. That's amazing. Alright, here comes the next steamroller. I almost missed it. Well, just in time. Alright, here comes the next steamroller. Alright, take a look. There's this one. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, next steamroller.